Oh man, don't you just love the sound of a school bus? Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show. It's a windy, wet day, and I'm walking again, having a good time with my DJI Osmo Action 4. I want to give a little talk about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 that just a few people are talking about. You know when you hit the record button and you do a video and you don't like that video? You hit the record button, you gotta hold it down, and it cycles through a circle and then deletes your video. People don't like that. How they said it was that they lost the video. Well, if you hit the record button and keep holding it down, it's gonna prompt you for about 3 seconds. Oh, I'm doing something wrong. What are you doing? Hitting the record button and doing one of these? Just, I don't know what happened. What happened? You know when more than one person comes in, reports the concern, they want an urgent request. You know what they use? Pilots. We hear you, pilots. We're gonna get it to the right team. And always check the official website and you'll find your answer there. That doesn't mean they're gonna do what you want them to do. It means they heard you and that's all they're gonna do. Why would they want to take away that something so perfectly what they made for the camera, copied Insta, and just remove it? Well, they should remove it if you don't want it. Put it on a switch so you could turn it on and off at your leisure. Do they? What's happening so important back there that the guy's got his camera out and he's filming? I don't know. Well, Insta, they got that make a mistake, record, delete button. DJI's got it. Is it coming to the Action 4? Let me hit the long press record, see what happens. Anything happening? Because I'm pressing real hard. And it says something. It really says something that I gotta bring. Due to high, man, I gotta read that again. Due to high temperature setting. I want to make sure what it really said. Long press, due to high water pressure, shutter record button is disabled. Quick to stop recording shutter button. Why would I do that? Due to high pressure, automatically switch to the high button, press button. So that's not coming to the Osmo Action 4 people, the record erase button, because they got to change the high temperature, the pressure button. So when you scuba dive, did you know you could long press the record button? I did. I just didn't know what it said. I don't care what it said. It brought up a blank screen with a picture, what it does, an icon, and so forth. I had my fair share of talk with you. I'm running out of battery power. It's getting nasty. The wind's going to be kicking. I said what I had to say. I did what I had to do. I'm getting on out of here. Well, I got a big job to do later, and it's going to be fun because I got to get underneath the counter and change out a one kitchen faucet, hot and cold, and it's leaking on the head. Man, it's been pretty old. Got to get it done. Got to do it. Maybe I'll do a nice how-to on it. Let's go get that cat. Well, I did so many faucet changes and all that good stuff, and there's probably 1,000,000+1 videos out there. Everybody's showing it with all their tools and their, noggin. Yeah. And on that note, I think I'm just gonna put you away for another nice day. I'm Fish, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come. I'll see you later. Hasta mañana.